Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing I have very great thing from China. This is MFT Table from China, Chinese brand Wnew. I have several things from this brand and the quality is very nice. So I hope the MFT Table quality will be good and it will be convenient. As well, you can watch from my previous videos, unboxing videos, tools from China. I have special equipment for MFT Table to put tracksaw guide rail on it for having easy cut. So for today I will unbox this table, will assemble it and will show the end result to you. Hope it will be interesting for you because compared with equivalent MFT table from renowned brands, it's much more cheaper. The price for it in China about $150. Let's just open and see what's inside. Everything packed in separate boxes very well. Box here a little bit damaged, but I hope nothing happened inside. Oh, great. Here we can see good packaging. Everything packed very well. This is instruction. This table how will look like without this MDF insert, but I'm thinking to put here plywood as well. I will show how I'm preparing it and how I'm doing dog holes in a very simple way. So the whole instruction, so I bought this kit for track guide rail. So step by step I will show the whole table in function and hope it will be interesting for you and as well useful. So just saving your time, I will unbox the rest. Hello again, I have unboxed all small boxes from big one. So I would like show a little bit closer up what we have inside. So this is legs. We have in the bottom this adjustment. If you have not so straight floors. So the length, total length of the leg is 82 centimeters with whole extension, and without extension 79. So you have 3-4 centimeters for adjustment. It's nice. But even this is 12 millimeter screw, so you can, I will show, use longer one if you need table to be more higher. The quality, all materials as I expected from Wnew Chinese brand, very solid, and the quality is very high. This is the parts to connect tabletop to the main table. We have all in the kit. Allen keys for assembly, screws to connect the tabletop, shorter, longer ones. Allen key again for assembly. This is some kind of plastic, but it's very sturdy and very strong. It is not easy to damage. This plugs for the corner. I have other things from this material from Wnew. Here we have user manual, both in Chinese and English, very detailed inside. So it's very easy to go by instruction and assemble the whole table. This is corner parts for table to connect together the other rails. So you can see it's very thick metal, about 3 millimeters here we have. Just a moment, I will show the thickness about 3 millimeters. This is rail connection. Again, you can see the profile is very thick. Again, 3.5 millimeter thickness for this. I will check. We can use these grooves for regular clamps for tracks. So if we need to connect something on the table by this, I will check it after assembling the whole table, and we'll make another video to show the assembled table. I have nearly assembled the whole table. It's very simple. It just will take 20-30 minutes. For each corner we have just these 2 screws. Tighten and tighten, and all come together like this. This is parts for connecting tabletop. We have 6 of them, so I put 2 on longer side and 1 on shorter side. For connecting legs, we have 2 options. One to connect on shorter side. We have holes for them. And second version to connect on longer side. So I choose to connect on longer side. Just think it will be more stable. We'll check on the legs. We have 2 grooves here for connecting if you choose longer or shorter size. As well, this table, I will try. It's like this, so simple. As well, this table has an extension. I do not buy it. It's nearly the price for the table. If you need bigger one, you can buy extension 2 or buy 2 tables and connect together. I will put legs, will turntable, and will. Or again, I would like to show another option with this table. I will show the functions which I'm finding out or thinking will be useful to show you. This is leg. You can unscrew this adjustment part from the leg. It's 12 millimeter. So I've bought these wheels because for me it's much convenient to have table moving. All these wheels have brake on it. If I want to have a stable one, I just put on brake. It's quite stable. So this is 10 millimeters, so I cannot put it, so I need to change this wheel, buy new bigger one to put here instead of this adjustment part. It's very convenient, especially for me, to not doing anything extra to putting wheels under the table. So nearly assembled the whole table. Need to put this plastic corners here. It's much convenient to put here and with this plastic adjust the table sides, because from here, if I a little bit lose this, just a moment, it's go in and out. So with this plastic we can very tightly adjust the corner of the table. Here we have hex screw to tighten this in the corner. Even these nuts have some grooves on it. It's easy by hand to do first tighten, and then in the end when you will do every adjustment, just with Allen key you will tighten enough to keep the table in the place. I showed wheels which I want to put under the table. Why it is so convenient for me? Because only the table is weighty, about 23-24 kilograms, only the table. If I put MDF or plywood top on it and extra accessories, it's another 10-15 kilograms. So from it on the end, I will have table from 35 to 40 kilogram. So it's convenient for me if I want to move it, the table, to be on wheels. So this is, I will put for all corners, it's 2 for each one on the top, one on the bottom, the same thing, to keep corner safe. So we'll do it and we'll show the whole table assembled. Okay, I assembled the whole table and would like to show it. This is without top. In next video I will show the top and how to make dog holes. But before that, just a couple comments on a table. So there is such plastic corner which I showed in my in the video. There's some small groove here, like you should know to put one like this on one side and the second one again with this part, because when you put like this it goes flush with the table. I do not put this one to show some options which you can use. I bought this part separately, so it goes on this groove and I can put clamps like this here to tighten something on it. As well, you can buy separately clamps like this with the bottom part, a similar thing which can go to this groove and use that style of clamp. Just to show you, regular clamps like this will not work on the on this part of the table, but on the top we have groove. It goes very well here. The same we have under this here, so you can use this style of clamps on the top, on the bottom of this part of the table. As well, I bought this one. It also goes here, but as you can see here, it goes like a flush to this part. Just a moment, I will show. Just compare it. It goes flush here. This one, you have this part out. As well, we have grooves for connection on the top, on the legs of the table, so we can put this inside of leg, and if you need to put clamp like this or different types and connect something also on the legs. As well, the dimension of the table is 126 millimeters long and 78 millimeters on the width of the table size. As well, I would like to show the minimum height. Here you can see 1 centimeter point 2 millimeters, and the tabletop will flush with this part. But as I need this table for track, so to work on it, so I will buy thicker top, I think 18 millimeters, to go up for the saw blade to have some extra room for cutting on it. And the tabletop will be connected with connectors I have showed here, like this, 2 on long side and 1 on the shorter side. So that's it at this moment. assembled MFT style table. I will have several videos on it, how prepare tabletop, how use tracksaw on it. So wait for my next videos for this MFT table. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.